Good morning, student. We are going to discuss about class 7 and 8 mathematics. Our topic is fundamental knowledge of rational numbers. First, we are going to start definition of rational number. A number is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are elements of integers. A number is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q is elements of integers. It is called rational number. More examples. For examples, rational number 5 upon 4, 3 upon minus 8, 5 upon 12. These are the examples of rational numbers. Every natural number is a rational number. Every natural number is a rational number because while 1 is written 1 by 1, 2 is written 2 by 1, 5 is written 5 by 1. And it means it is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is also a rational number. Every whole number is a rational number. Every whole number is also a rational number. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. 0 is written in 0 by 1 or 0 by 5. Here, numerator is 0, but denominator is just not 0. Therefore, it is also a rational number. 2 is written 2 by 1. So, therefore, it is also a rational number. Every integer is also a rational number. Integers -1, -2, +4, +5. It is also written in the form of p by q. -1 is written -1 upon -1 by 1. -2 is written -2 by 1. It is also written in the form of p by q. Therefore, it is also a rational number. Next, every fraction is also a rational number. In the case of fraction, p by q is a fraction where q is not equal to 0, and here p and q is elements of natural number. It is the definition of fraction. A number is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q is elements of natural number. So, therefore, all fraction is also a rational number. Next, there are two types of rational number. First, positive rational number, and second, negative rational number. Definition of positive rational number. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive or both negative. Then rational number is called positive rational number. For example, 3 by 5, 4 by 7, or -3 by -8, or -7 by -15. listen, both numerator and denominator are positive or negative. That's rational number is called positive rational numbers. Second, negative rational number. A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are such that one of them is positive integer and other is negative integers. It means, for example, a rational number in which numerator and denominator, one of them are positive or negative rational number, then that rational number is called negative rational number. Listen, look here, -3/4. Here numerator is negative but denominator is positive. That rational number is called negative rational number. And other example is 5/-8. Here numerator is positive but denominator is negative integers. Therefore, it is also a negative rational number. Next topic on equivalent rational number. What is equivalent rational number? Equivalent if here p/q is a rational number multiplying any positive integers with this rational number minus m in m, we get p to m upon q into m, or p m upon q m. It is equivalent rational number. Pm upon qm is equivalent rational number by p/q. Next, p/q divided by n we get p upon n upon q upon n. It is also p upon n and upon q upon n is also equivalent rational to p/q. It means, अगर किसी रेशनल नंबर में हम लोग किसी एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स का मल्टीप्लाई करें, बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ, तो हमें जो नंबर रेशनल नंबर में प्राप्त होगा वो रेशनल नंबर इस p/q के इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर कहा जाता है। एंड अगर p/q ए रेशनल नंबर, इसको किसी एक ही नंबर से अगर हम लोग डिवाइड कर दें, सेम नंबर से, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग वी गेट द नंबर्स इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर ऑफ p/q. And always p/q is equal to p into m upon q into m, and p/q is also equal to p/n upon q/n. Next, standard form of a rational number. Standard form of a rational number. standard form of a rational number. A number is written in the form of p by q. A rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if q is positive and p and q have no common divisor other than 1. It means अगर कोई नंबर हमारा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में तभी कहा जाता है जब इसके न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का 1 के अलावा और कोई दूसरा कॉमन डिवीजर न हो. एंड q is always the positive form. If a number is written in the form of p by minus q, it is not in standard form. To convert it into standard form, we multiply by minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. Then we get standard form of these rational number. Like that. For example, multiply by minus 1, both numerator and denominator, we get minus p upon, here multiply minus 1 by minus q, we get q. That is the standard form of rational number. It means, आप ये समझिए कि कोई भी रेशनल नंबर का अगर डिनोमिनेटर निगेटिव है तो वो रेशनल नंबर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं कहा जाता है. भले ही यहाँ पे इसका कॉमन डिवीजर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का कॉमन डिवीजर 1 हो, लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर अगर निगेटिव इंटीजर्स है तो ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें इसके न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई बाय -1 वी गेट द पॉजिटिव, वी गेट द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस रेशनल नंबर. नेक्स्ट, एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर. एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर. Additive inverse of a rational number. A number in the form of a by b, then its additive inverse is always minus a by b. It means अगर कोई एक रेशनल नंबर a by b दिया है तो इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स माइनस a by b होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, थ्री by 4 is a rational number. Is its additive inverse is -3 by 4. If a rational number in the form of -4 by 5, then its additive inverse is +4/5. It means अगर कोई रेशनल नंबर पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर है तो उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स निगेटिव रेशनल नंबर होगा. अगर कोई निगेटिव रेशनल नंबर है तो उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर होगा. It means In other way, we can say that अगर कैसे हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि कोई रेशनल नंबर दिया है और उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स भी दिया है, तो वो एक दूसरे के एडिटिव इनवर्स हैं या नहीं। तो इसके लिए एक कंपलसरी कंडीशन ये होती है कि अगर दो रेशनल नंबर दिया गया है, लाइक दैट हियर 7/-7/8 एंड इट्स एडिटिव इनवर्स +7/8, ये एक दूसरे के एडिटिव इनवर्स हमें आइडेंटिफाई ये पता करना है कि ये एक दूसरे के एडिटिव इनवर्स है कि नहीं। -7/8 का एडिटिव इनवर्स 7/8 एंड 7/8 का एडिटिव इनवर्स -7/8 है कि नहीं। इसके लिए एक कंपलसरी कंडीशन है कि अगर कोई दो नंबर एक दूसरे के एडिटिव इनवर्स हैं तो उनका सम ऑलवेज 1 होता है। उन दोनों का सम ऑलवेज 1 होता है, सॉरी उनका सम ऑलवेज 0 होता है। अगर दो नंबर एक दूसरे के एडिटिव इनवर्स हैं तो उनका सम ऑलवेज 0 होता है। हियर -7/8 एंड +-7/8, its sum is always 0. -7/8 +7/8 cancel 0. Next, multiplicative inverse of a rational number. What is the multiplicative inverse of a rational number? Multiplicative inverse of a rational number. A number is given a by b, then its multiplicative inverse is always b by a. We change the given rational number in opposite form. A by b is written in the b by a in the form of b by a. That b by a is called the multiplicative inverse of a by b, and multiplication of both rational number a by b and its multiplicative inverse b by a is always 1. For example, 3/4, its multiplicative inverse is 4/3, and multiplication of a rational number and its multiplicative inverse is always 1. 4 divisible by 4 and 3 divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4. Multiply 1 by 1, 1 upon 1, we get 1. It means किसी भी नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स उस फ्रैक्शन का अपोजिट फॉर्म होता है। एंड दो रेशनल नंबर हैं तो उनके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स उनके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स और वो रेशनल नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑलवेज +1 होता है। And next new topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.